Welcome back to Key Talk Media. This your host, Key Talk. Check it out, man. Alright. I want to give a shout out to Notification Gang, Key Talk Gang, even though they're really the same thing, for rocking with me every single video. If you listen to my voice right now, go ahead and like the video, hit the notification bell so you get a notification every single time I drop a video. Anyways, so not a lot's been going on inside of the YSL trial. Of course, y'all know I was covering it heavy whenever, important, entertaining details was happening. Well, something did just happen, and what they've been doing lately is pretty much picking potential jurors or making the jurors answer all these questions. I mean, they got a whole lot of people to choose from because this case, of course, is a big, important case with high profile as well with celebrities such as Young Thug. So they got to make sure that the juror people that they're selecting to be on a jury who are ultimately going to say, guilty or innocent, they got to make sure that those people aren't compromised, nothing like that at all. Now, speaking of compromise, one of the potential jurors turned out to be a slime. And when I say they turned out to be a slime, they pretty much under the table tried to contact Young Thug's lawyer, Brian Steele, talking about via email to his law firm. Brian Steele did what he had to do. I'm talking about he ain't take no risks, no chances at all. And what he did was actually told the judge and them about it, I'm talking about. And pretty much when he told them about it, obviously they're going to get rid of that potential juror. Now, I don't know if that juror is going to be in any type of trouble, nothing like that at all. It's not like he gave up any information. Actually, I don't know what exactly he said, but he did try to contact them. But yeah, Brian still had to go ahead and turn Buddy in. Now, I know y'all probably wondering, like, what in the blue hell did he do that? If that guy got chose, he could have just said that Thug ain't did nothing. He could have just, I'm talking about, said not guilty. I'm talking about got Thug off. But the thing about it is this: Brian still is an extremely smart lawyer, as you can see. I'm talking about Young Thug's only charged with like 8 of the 65 counts. A lot of that is partially due to Brian Steele. Now, he probably didn't want to take any chances with Buddy and have a communication with him and then take the chance of, later on in trial, the defense coming out, or the prosecutors coming out saying, hey, well, we've got one more, wild card to pull. We've got word that one of these jurors actually contacted Young Thug's lawyer, so they're compromised. Anyways, so one of the reporters that's pretty much close and inside of the courtroom with everything that's going on wrote, a potential juror attempted to contact Young Thug attorney law firm via email. Attorney Brian Steele forwarded the email to the court and parties and did not respond to the person. Judge is having court personnel investigate. So, of course, I'm talking about whenever we figure out what happens to that juror, I'll definitely let y'all know. 100% they're not going to be able to be on the jury anymore. Now, if they get in any trouble, I don't know if that'll happen as well, but it could potentially happen. Who knows? But anyways, yeah, I think Brian Steele made the smart decision by just saying, hey, judge, this person contacted me, then there's a potential juror, because like I said, it could have got Young Thug and even probably the lawyer himself in a whole lot more trouble if he didn't do that. Who knows? Maybe the prosecutor sent Buddy to do that to try to say that. I mean, there's no confirming that the prosecutor sent him to do that, but anything could be. I mean, these type of trials, especially this high profile, when they really want to get Buddy, talking about to hang him in the jail, you never know what type of lengths people will go. But either way it goes, he was probably just a juror that just, was a fan of Young Thug and just wanted to contact them. Who knows? But people don't know, so that's why, like I say, he had to tell the judge going to get rid of him. Anyways, now the trial is close to starting. I'm talking about allegedly it's close to starting. They still got to pick the jurors, which, this is happening with this juror, so they're going to have to double check the jurors again probably, even though they had him answer all them questions. Anyways, let me know something. Do y'all think Brian still made the right choice by, letting the judge know that the juror contacted him, or do y'all think he should just let it slide and see what he was talking about? Anyways, let me know something. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about this entire ordeal. I'm out.